Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about upgrading to Windows 11 and exactly how to upgrade to Windows 11 step by step. We will cover why you should upgrade, how to prepare your PC, the full upgrade process, and what to do afterwards. That's the post-upgrade processes. For those of you looking for a specific part, check the chapters below to jump straight to it. So, grab your device and a cup of coffee. Let's dive right in and get you upgraded. So, let's start with the big question. Why should you upgrade your PC to Windows 11? There are several reasons why you should upgrade, but I can summarize them into three: security, performance, and aesthetics. Security has been improved with TPM 2.0 and secure boot requirements. Both of these work together to provide hardware-rooted security. They protect sensitive data and ensure only verified software runs from power on. Overall, this helps to make sure your Windows experience is safer and more reliable. Windows 11 contains several performance enhancement features. For example, gamers get direct storage and auto HDR for better graphics and load times. There is also snap layouts and snap groups, which makes multitasking and managing multiple windows much more efficient. Microsoft Teams is integrated directly into the taskbar for faster collaboration. Talking about aesthetics and experience, Windows 11 brings a fresh, modern interface that's cleaner and more intuitive. For instance, you get a centralized start menu and taskbar. Now let's talk preparation. Before upgrading, let's make sure your PC is ready. Key preparatory steps include: check your system requirements, back up your files, clear out disk space, ensure your device is plugged in, and ensure you have stable internet connection. First, check if your device meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. This include at least 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and a 1 GHz 64-bit processor with 2 or more cores. Your system also needs to have TPM 2.0 and secure boot enabled. You can check all this manually or automatically using the PC Health Check. The PC Health Check is the easiest and recommended way to do this. I'll demonstrate how to do this later on in this video. Next, it's important to back up your important files and data, either to an external drive or cloud storage. While we will choose the option to retain these files while we are doing the upgrade, it is strongly recommended to have a backup first. Next, free up disk space. Ideally, 20 GB or more is okay for a smooth upgrade. Finally, and this is very important, make sure your device is plugged in and has a stable internet connection. Once all that's done, you are ready to start the upgrade. Now, how exactly do you upgrade to Windows 11? There are a few ways to upgrade to Windows 11. These include via Windows Update, using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant, create a bootable USB or use an ISO file. In this video, we will perform a live demo to upgrade a Windows 10 PC to Windows 11. We will first attempt to use the Windows Update method. And if that fails, that is, if the option to upgrade to Windows 11 is not showing for us, we will then use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant method. The Windows Update method is the easiest and recommended way to upgrade. It, however, only works for eligible PCs, that is, PCs that meet the system requirement for Windows 11. To upgrade using this method, open your settings and go to Update and Security, and then to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. If your PC is eligible, you will see an option that says Upgrade to Windows 11. Click Download and Install, and let the process begin. The system will download Windows 11 and restart automatically several times. Don't worry, this is normal. Just keep your device plugged in and be patient while it installs. You can also upgrade to Windows 11 using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. You typically use this as an alternative method when you are unable to use Windows Update method. That is, if the upgrade option doesn't show up in Windows Update. The Installation Assistant is basically an app you download from Microsoft and run on your PC to perform the upgrade. I have another video on how to use this to upgrade your PC. Please check the link in the description. Finally, you can create a bootable USB or use an ISO file. This is mostly for advanced users, and you can also use this when you want to perform a clean installation. That's you don't want to retain any file on your system. Congratulations, you are now running Windows 11. There are a few essential steps you should take immediately after upgrading. These include: check for lingering updates, check device drivers, manage your startup programs, personalize your experience. First, check for any lingering Windows updates. You can do that by going to Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. The system often has a final batch of driver and security updates to install. Second, check for device drivers. Go to Device Manager and look for any yellow exclamation marks. If you find any, you may need to manually download the latest drivers from your PC manufacturer's website. Third, manage your startup programs. Open Task Manager, navigate to the Startup tab, disable any programs you don't need to launch every time you boot up. This will significantly improve your boot speed and overall performance. Finally, personalize your experience. That is, customize your start menu, taskbar, and widgets to suit your workflow. And that's it. Your complete guide to upgrading to Windows 11. You've learned why to upgrade, how to prepare, how to install, and what to do afterward. So in this section of the video, we'll be doing a live demo. Specifically, we'll be upgrading our Windows 10 PC to Windows 11. Let's get started. So we have a Windows 10 PC, which we will try to upgrade to Windows 11. So we would first try to use the Windows Update method. So you open the Settings app, then go to Update and Security, and then make sure you are in the Windows Update tab. So here, I cannot see any upgrade to Windows 11. Actually, I am saying my PC doesn't currently meet the requirement for Windows 11, but I know it does, right? I will show that to us later on. So let's try and click on Check for Updates. So let's click on that, see whether that will change. Okay, so let's allow it to check for updates. Okay, so it has completed the checks and nothing has changed. Okay, so let's see. So we are going to use the PC Health Check app to see if this PC actually meets the requirement for Windows 11. I mentioned earlier in the video that you can do this manually or using this app. So we are going to use this app. So you can download the app. I'll put a link in the description on where to download the app from. So just open the app and click on Check Now. That's all. The app will run some tests, and you see it says this PC meets Windows 11 requirement. Let's see the results. You can see. So it says this PC supports secure boot. TPM 2.0 is enabled. The processor is supported. There's at least 4 gig of RAM. The hard disk is higher than 64 gig. And there are more than 2 cores. So we can hide this now. Since we are not seeing the option to upgrade to Windows 11 under the Windows Update, we are going to use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So we can download that. Just go online check for Windows 11 installation assistant. That's it. That's it. So we can use this particular link. Okay, so we're on Microsoft website now. This is the other option that I talked about using the installation media. So let's just download this. Okay, so we have downloaded this now. Go to download and we can see the app there, Windows 11 installation assistant. So let's click on that and install it. So it's going to check device compatibility. Yes, it said. So it has checked the device compatibility. It says, good news, this PC meets the minimum system requirement to install Windows. So we can go ahead and accept and install. So we just let it go through this whole process and then it's going to get downloaded and then run and then upgrade the PC to Windows 11. That's essentially how to use this Windows 11 installation assistant. So get it downloaded and run it. So we'll come back to this when it has finished downloading. So now it's verifying the download. Finally, it is installing the downloads now. Now it's checking for updates. Finally, the actual installation of Windows 11 has started. So we just leave this be and come back when it's done. And there it is, our brand new Windows 11 PC. We have successfully used the Windows 11 installation assistant to upgrade our Windows 10 PC to Windows 11. We have the centralized start menu and taskbar here. You can go on ahead and perform the post-upgrade actions. Thank you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you run into any issues or if you like a video on fixing specific Windows 11 issue. Thanks for watching and enjoy your brand new Windows 11 experience. I'll see you in the next video.